Do you have a dark, super dry or chapped lips and you want a healthy, hydrated, super soft looking lips? You might want to stick around because I'll be sharing with you tips on how to achieve that. Okay, if this is your first time, hi, I'm Catherine Edith, and in this channel I'll be sharing with you beauty tips, makeup videos, special effect videos, DIY, as well as skincare tips. So if you want more videos on beauty tips, beauty makeup, exercise videos, as well as DIYs and skincare tips, you might want to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. So meanwhile, why don't we jump into today? Like I said, I'll be sharing with you 8 tips to keep your lips super soft, hydrated and healthy. Okay, so let's start off with the first tip, which is to exfoliate your lips. Now this is what you want to do first thing in the morning. You want to exfoliate your lips, and this way it takes out dead cells from your lips. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your toothbrush, make it white and rub gently on your lips. You want to do it in a circular motion, and this way it takes out dead cells from your lips. Okay, so now the second tip is to use a lip scrub. Now the tons of lip scrub you can actually buy, or you can actually make yourself. There's so many homemade lip scrub which you can choose from. Personally for me, I like using sugar and honey. I just mix the two of them together in the container, apply it on my lip in a circular motion for 1 minute, and then leave it for the next 15 minutes. Then I gently wipe it off. Okay, so that is for the second tip. So now the third tip is to moisturize your lips. Good. Now you want a soft healthy lips, then how would you achieve that if you don't moisturize your lip? Now you want to always moisturize your lip. This way it keeps your lips super hydrated. Now there are 2 ways you can keep your lips super moisturized. You can either use your regular or your favorite lip balm, or you can use Vaseline. Personally for me, I like to use glycerin because it's super helpful to my lips and it has been working for me, which is what I use like every time. So I would advise you try glycerin. It is super good to moisturize and keep your lips super hydrated. Now what I do is I dip in a Q-tip into the glycerin and I just rub it around my lips and I leave it overnight. Now you want to use a medicated glycerin because in that way you know your lip is super safe. Okay, so now the other tips I'm going to be sharing with you are also what will help to keep your lips super hydrated and super healthy. Okay, so now the fourth tip I'm going to be sharing with you is to use vitamin E, and I've been using vitamin E for a while and it has been working super well for me. Now you can get vitamin E in any pharmaceutical store around you. It is super affordable. You can always buy it. What you want to do is get the liquid in the vitamin E and then rub it in your lips as well. If you want to rub it before applying your lipstick, it's also safe. If you want to rub it overnight, it works perfectly fine. Now speaking out of experience, because vitamin E has helped my lips a lot. Now the other tip is to protect your lip from sun rays. Now take it or leave it, the sun also damage our lips. The UV rays from the sun also damage our lips. Now you want to protect your lips when you're going out with either applying a lip balm or a lip gloss. In this way it protects your lip from the UV rays and keep your lips super moisturized and healthy. Now the other tip I'm going to be sharing is to prep your lips before applying your lipstick. I have to emphasize on this one because many people ignore it. You might feel like it's just for the makeup people or it's just for the makeup artists, it thinks the normal routine. Well, that is not only for the makeup artist. You can also apply it to yourself. If you're just doing your personal makeup, you want to prep your lip before applying a lipstick. Now what you want to do is either apply your lip balm or you apply your lip primer. In this way, it will also protect your lips from the chemicals from this lipstick you're using, from those lipstick you're using rather. So you want to use that primer to protect your lips, because most of this or all of those lipstick have chemicals in them, and this chemical tends to damage our lips. So what you want to do is to apply a primer. In this way, protect those chemicals from damaging your lips. And the next tip is to take off your lipstick before going to bed. Now when you are finished applying your lipstick and when you're back from work, to rub each and every, leaving no residue, because this lipstick, like I said earlier, have chemicals and they tend to damage our lips. So you want to either use a micellar water or use a rose water if you have one, dip in a cotton into it and clean off your lipstick. In this way, it will keep your lips super hydrated. Okay, yeah, so let's jump in to the next tip, which is, did I say the next tip? Alright, the last tip I'm going to be sharing with you guys is to stay hydrated. Okay, now this helps positively. It might sound odd to you, but yes, it does. Now taking a lot of water helps to keep your lips super dry, super hydrated and healthy. Now you want to try to take at least 7 to 8 cups of water, which is medically advisable to take 7 to 8 cups of water a day. It also helps your system as well as your hair, yes, because it has a positive effect in your hair and also your lips. So you want to try to take up those cups of water. If it's too difficult for you, you can also start with 4 cups of water. Before you know it, you get used to it and you take up to 8 a day. All right, so those are the tips I'm going to be sharing with you, and I believe it is going to be helpful because it has worked for me, and if it worked for me, I know it can work for you. Now right now I have no lipstick on, I have just my lip gloss. Okay, so you can see how it has helped me positively. It has been working for me, so it will work for you. So that is all for this video. So feel free to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, if you've tried it before, and leave your comments in the comment section if you want more of this video, if you want more tips on beauty tips and also makeup videos. Like I said, feel free to comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to receive your comments. And please, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos on this, and I will see you all there. Now also check out my other videos and I will see you guys there.